Now the question arises, why should we write a diary, or what are the benefits of diary writing? So let us discuss the same one by one. First, diary writing is an effective way to release strong feelings and sentiments. Sometimes we cannot find a friend or any other person with whom we can share our deepest feelings. Diary serves as a friend. Diary writing is a way by which the individual can vent out their feelings while they are feeling alone, discouraged, frustrated, angry, sad, or anything else. Writing all these feelings whenever we are sad, thinking frustrated, or feeling depressed, we can write the same in our diary. So it will provide somewhat a psychological relief to us. We need not worry about any miscommunication because you alone have access to the diary. Whereas if we talk to our friend, there is the possibility that our thinking or what we have told to our friend may be miscommunicated to other persons. Next benefit, diary writing increases brain activity. Next, by way of diary writing, we can record special and normal events. It is a way of keeping a record of what happened and when happened. Diary writing has a kind of curative effect. Next, diary writing improves vocabulary, writing skills, etc. Diary writing will improve your vocabulary and your way of expressing things. It also improves writing skills, recall memories. Diary lets you recall the good or bad memories. It is a good activity to look back at the life and evaluate yourself on the basis of your past. Sometimes, when you read diary, you can recall or recapture those memories which you had nearly forgotten. Next benefit of diary writing is problem solving. It often happens that we overthink everything, and in this way, our problem becomes very big for us. But when we write down the problem, we understand that the problem is not so big as we thought. Many a times, when we are writing diary, we find the solution to the problem. As per a study conducted in New Zealand, it has been found that writing about emotions related to an injurious event can accelerate the healing process in older adults. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.